At AI for Experts, we keep on being asked the same question. I use ChatGPT a lot, but I keep hearing about Claude. Should I make the switch? Well, the short answer is yes. We made the move recently and have not looked back. Here's why. We were early ChatGPT users. We've built a lot of custom GPTs that work alongside our business workflows, so there's real friction around switching. But over the last 6 to 8 weeks, we've been migrating to Claude, and the output quality difference is really hard to ignore. Being candid, ChatGPT has got noticeably weaker. The outputs feel thinner, and there's a deeper problem. When you're working inside a large language model every day, you need it to push back. You don't want it to agree with everything. And ChatGPT, more often than not, just agrees with you all the time. In comparison, Claude, even without custom instructions out of the box, seems to challenge your thinking more often. It surfaces trade-offs. It doesn't just confirm what you've already said. And for serious work, that distinction matters. There's also just the general quality of the outputs. Ask ChatGPT and Claude the same question, whatever the model, and we've found that over time, the Claude model just wins day in, day out. Recently, I found myself banging my hand on the table with ChatGPT, whereas with Claude, I just want to give it a pat on the back. We've also found that migrating a lot of our custom GPTs into Claude projects has been far easier than we expected, and the outputs that we're getting from those are far better than what we ever had from ChatGPT. Claude Cowork is included in any paid plan on Claude as well, and it's worth knowing about, particularly if you're working with documents and files regularly. It's a desktop tool that lets you interact through a chat-based format with documents stored locally on your own device through a simple interface. Choose a folder and you can interrogate the files inside it using natural language prompting. For knowledge businesses with a lot of structured IP, like research, frameworks, client documents, this is genuinely useful and it's designed for non-technical users like me, so no coding required. Now, there is a caveat with Claude Cowork, like any large language model, and that's to only share documents that you're comfortable sharing. Use it at your own risk. But if you are thinking from switching from ChatGPT to Claude, then the broader point is this. The momentum is absolutely with Claude right now. Recent releases and the new skills functionality, we've also had Claude Design pop up recently, have moved it into a completely different tier. It isn't really about switching for the sake of it, it's about using the tool that actually makes your thinking better. And Claude right now does that more consistently than the alternatives. So if you are still using ChatGPT, it's worth a trial of Claude. Set up a paid plan, have a play with the chat function, and I'm sure in the next few days you'll be making the change permanently.